Hi, my name is Xun Yu. Everybody knows me as Fish. I'm the founder of the Sensorial Lab. We are gladly to be participating this season's Richmond Art Walk again. We're one of those original participants of these events and have witnessed its fantastic growth through these couple of years. I've been a filmmaker by trade, specializing in documentary, for over 20 years now. My work has been showcased and won numerous awards across the world, including ITFA, Cinema du Rio, Hot Dog, and Toronto International Film Festival. The Sensorial Lab has been my personal project. Throughout all these years of being a professional filmmaker, I've started to realize that the importance of art and beauty in daily life. Therefore, I've included here in the studio many of my personal pursuits and interests aside from filmmaking, which include good music, good coffee, good tea utensils, incense, and many artifacts. And I think those little things really contribute to my creativity in filmmaking. And I would love to share those thoughts behind it with you during the artwork. I'm a proud resident of Richmond for many years, since I ever resided in Canada. Richmond has been known as the food heaven for Oriental cuisines, but it wasn't traditionally known for its art scenes. However, I have also witnessed a fantastic growth and attention towards art activities in recent years, especially since the establishment of Richmond Art Walk. So please come join us in August and let's talk and have some nice time together. See you then.